I think this is your first. Is this your first show since your hand accident? Since the accident that literally could have taken your hand?
Yeah, Rach, this is the first show we've been on together with this, and to be honest with you, thank God I still got my hand.
Right.
We're feeling better, trying to be optimistic about it. It's still, it's only been 2 months, so it's still too early to tell exactly how much I'm going to get back. I might be at like 15 to 20% of my strength right now, in squeezing and holding things and how much dexterity I'm going to get back. But I'm in some intense physical therapy, and I might need actually another 1 to 2 surgeries depending on how the next couple months go.
How did the accident happen? This was literally a bowling accident?
It was a bowling accident. It was a Sunday afternoon, and Sundays at my house is usually I wake up to the smell of my wife cooking sauce, and
That's right.
the meatballs are going, and we're ready to watch the Giants play football. And it was about 12 o'clock. Yeah, and me and my son were downstairs, we're hanging out, and we were like, oh, everybody's coming over, so I oiled the bowling alley. So I took out the machine, I oiled the lanes, and then I said, all right, so later if we want to play, we could play. And then as I turned the machine on just to kind of make sure everything was good, and the sweep that cleans it was stuck, which happened before, and I went behind to go fix it. So I go in the back and I start, doing what I have to do. And, I turned for 1 second, and then boom, it just, went through my hand, and I was kind of pinned and stuck. I screamed. My sons, my brother-in-laws came over, and I see that there's no way I'm getting it out except for cutting it out. I tell my kids, go get the saw, go get the pliers. They cut me out, and we wrap my hand, and we run over to, the emergency room. They took the spike out, and then, the next day I went to hospital for special surgeries, and then, we did some other surgeries. So now I'm on surgery 3. It sucks. It's my dominant hand, but you got to do what you got to do. You just got to